Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 8 Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the controls menu on our watch, and to do it, press and hold the light button right here. Once the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through it, or you can use the touch screen. Now, scroll through this menu and find the power saving mode icon, or battery saver it's called. And here we have it. Once you select the icon, you will see the status of the mode. As you can see, it is turned off, and the estimation of the battery in days. And to enable the mode, the power saving mode, you can tap on this icon with your finger and press the start button, or you can use the start button, depending on what you prefer. And once you enable the mode, you will see the message, or rather, the status will change to on, and the icon will change the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And also, the estimation should increase after all you turn on the power saving mode. For some reason, it increases only, 3 days? But it's better than nothing, right? And after you're done and you want to go back, you can press the back button right here to go back to watch face, and that's how it looks like. The watch face also changes by default, so it will look differently when you enable the power saving mode. And to disable it, you need to open the controls menu, select the icon, press the start or tap on it, and the status will go back to off. The estimation will also decrease, and if you go back to watch face, it will look normally. You can also do this through the settings, and there you can customize it a little. So you can press and hold the menu button to open the menu, scroll down, and find the option called Power Manager. And once you select it, you have the battery saver. You can select it, and here we can turn it on or off, but you can also select Edit, and here you can customize how the power saving mode behaves. And we have, for example, option called Watch Face, and you can select Don't Change. It will decrease your estimation by 5 days. So if you, let's say, had 3 days of battery estimation, or 3 more days, it will decrease it by 5 days, which is weird. Something is wrong with it. The estimations is not right. I think it's bugged. But we can make the watch face not change, basically. Then we have the music, phone, Wi-Fi, wrist heart rate and stuff like that. So you can customize it to your liking. So let's say you don't want the wrist heart rate to turn off during the power saving mode. You can select Don't Change, and it will be turned on, and it will be measuring your heart rate and stuff like that. So customize this to your liking, and once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.